Hi, Kim from Expression Artworks. So I'm taking this cute farmhouse metal container that I've had for several years and I'm going to give it a makeover. I love that natural chippy rust that it already has. I'm using Dixie Belle Vintage Duck Egg chalk paint, which is one of my favorite colors. And I'm just going to apply it using a sponge. I'm not looking for 100% coverage. I actually want some of that white to still shine through. And it just goes on so easily. Also, I'm not looking to get rid of that natural rust that it has, nor do I want to cover that nice black around the top. Here I'm just taking a detailed brush and going around the very top just to give it some more coverage so you don't see as much white. And then I'm going to dry it up really well. And as you could see, as I'm drying it, you could still see some of that white coming through. And that's exactly what I want. I also glued down some white floral foam to the bottom since I'm going to be adding some of that greenery and blue flowers. So I'm using this rust paste. This is from my crafter friend Mischief Managed Creations, and you could go ahead and follow her page if you are interested in checking out to see what she has, but she also sells this so you can order from her. I really like this. It's just very easy. You don't have to take a couple of different paint colors and cinnamon to try to make a rust. Here, everything is just there for you. You don't have to do any mixing. You just take it straight out of the jar, and you could add as little or as much as you want. You could also layer it, because what happens is it kind of gets activated with the heat of your dryer and it starts to darken up. And you could also layer it, and what happens is it starts to get bubbly. This is just one coat, but I'm applying a second coat here, and it bubbles up, gets darker, and it really takes on a nice rust effect. So here's my floral that I'm going to be using. I got this from Hobby Lobby, and I got the boxwood from Walmart. And I'm just going to use a combination of those two. Now I'm not going to glue the floral down because I know a lot of times we get tired after a while of looking at the same floral and we want to change it up, or maybe we want to change it up with the seasons or the holidays. So it gives you the chance to just pop it right out when you get bored of it. I hope you're enjoying watching my tutorial. I really love making these videos and hopefully inspiring you. So if you are liking what you're seeing, I hope you will subscribe to my channel. And here I have some reindeer moss in that kind of, reminds me of like grass. And I'm just applying that all around the edges because it acts as a great filler, but also you'd want to hide any of that white foam that might be showing. And I didn't show it in the video, but I did go ahead and glue it down after. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.